Let us learn how we can use the Format Painter to easily replicate or reproduce a specific format you have from one cell to another. And also let's see how we can delete all the formats very quickly. So Format Painter is an option that you can see here, which is available for you to copy formatting from one cell to another. And with this can be done very easily. For example, if I want to apply this specific format that I have in cell A2 to cell A9. So what I can do is to choose A2 and I can choose Format Painter, and then I am going to apply that to cell A9. You can see here that whatever format that I had in this cell A2, which is nothing but a general format, which has the blue fill color and then the white font color, and then all the borders, everything has been taken and then copied over to this cell A9. I would like to undo that because I don't need to change that way. So I will do undo. Another thing to remember is that you can also select multiple cells at the same time and copy the format. For example, if I want both of these cells to be copied, basically I will just select these two cells and Format Painter, and then I can apply, for example, them to these two cells. I just select these two cells, and now the formats that are applied here have now also been applied to these two cells. And again, this is just for illustration, but you should be aware that you can select one or multiple cells and then click Format Painter and click anywhere else. Then these formats will be copied over to these new cells. I will do undo again. We have applied a lot of formatting to this cell: font color, fill color, border, thickness, and all of that. And now if I just want to remove all of them, I don't have to go and unselect every one of those formatting options. All I can do very quickly is go here in this home ribbon here in the editing section, clear formats, and this will just take out all the formats, as you can see here, from cell A2. And the clear options, there are clear formats, clear contents, clear comments. So these are different things that you can clear, and you can choose clear all to clear everything, including the content of the cell. In this case, we chose clear formats because we wanted to keep the content, but just remove all the formatting that we applied. So you could choose clear formats. And since I don't want to lose it, so I'm going to do Control Z to undo that. So we are back to where we are, and we studied the Format Painter option to copy the format from one cell or multiple cells to some new cells. And also we studied how we can clear all of these formatting if you don't need them anymore, and going to clear formats.